Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the frame rate in your videos in CapCut. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects, or if you want to start a new one, click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that video that you would like to edit. I'm going to use this one, and now you have to click on this 1080p icon where you can see at the top of the screen, and now you can see the frame rate option. Here you can select the 24, 25, 30, 50 and 60. There is the smart HDR option, convert your clips to an HDR video as well, and you can see that you can change the resolution here as well. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.